Are you still manually copying tasks from Slack into Clickup? You can automate this entire process by using this simple automation. So check this out. On the left hand side, I've got a Slack channel that's open. And I'm just going to create a message here. I'm going to say create a new Slack to Clickup automation. Let's say hypothetically speaking, you're working in a team environment and you want certain tasks to be sent directly to your Clickup database. All you're going to do is you're going to add a reaction, and in this instance I'm just going to add a white check mark, and what's going to happen instantly, it's going to be sent into my Clickup task database. So check this out. I say that, and then on the right hand side the task gets populated immediately. Look at that. It says create a new Slack to Clickup automation. So what you're seeing in Slack is what you are seeing directly within my Clickup database. Absolutely insane. Hi, my name is Peter from ConX Digital. We are an automation and integrations company that specializes in Slack and Clickup automations. If you're interested in working with us, please be sure to book a free discovery call with us. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you how you can build the Slack to Clickup automation. Let's get into it. First things first, the digital automation platform that we'll be using to achieve this automation is make.com, and we'll be using 3 modules to make sure that this automation is successful. We'll be using 2 Slack modules as well as 1 Clickup module. The first module that we'll be using is a Slack module, which is called Watch New Events. And essentially this is a webhook that acts as a trigger. So what happens is that once a new reaction is made within a Slack channel, then this is going to be triggered, and then it's going to flow into this entire automation. And so this is what this module is for. It's waiting for a reaction to take place within Slack and a specific Slack channel, and then from there this automation gets triggered. So this is the first module. So it's watching for this new reaction event to take place. And then what happens is that we have added a reaction filter. Now this is essential. Why? Because we don't want different reactions to then flow or take place when it comes to this automation. There are probably hundreds or maybe thousands of reactions that can happen within a Slack environment. But we are saying that when a specific reaction is made within a Slack channel, then that's when this automation will then happen. And so as you can see, the label here is reaction. The condition is that we've mapped the reaction over here. So as you can see, the reaction must be white underscore check underscore mark. So that is the condition. We're looking for this specific reaction to take place, not any other reaction, but this specific reaction, and you can say an emoji to actually take place. Now once that happens, we then using a text operator, which is equal to, and then in brackets this is case insensitive, which essentially means that it doesn't really matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, as long as it is spelled correctly and in the same way. So if that text operator is then equal to this white underscore check underscore mark, then what's going to happen is that the filter will be successful, and then this specific automation will then carry on. So I'm just going to save this, and so that's how the filter works essentially. And then after the filter gets past them, then what happens is that now we are going to map 2 things. We're going to map the public channel as well as the message ID timestamp. So we are mapping this from the previous module. So here we're going to just take it from over here. So here, this channel, public channel ID, and then we're also going to take the message ID coming from here over there. So we just map the 2 over there. And why are we doing this? We're doing this so that we can get the specific message from Slack. So once we map these 2 things, then we'll get the specific message or task that we're getting from Slack, and then we'll be able to take that and then pass it through the entire automation. So perfect. That's looking good. So I'm going to save that. And then the last module is a ClickUp create a task module. And so if you click here, I'm going to show you guys what I added over here. And so as you can see, we have different things here. Under workspace, we have ConX demos. Under space, we have team space. Under folder, it's folderless lists. and then the list, it comes as project 1. And then what I did here, which is important, is to make sure that you are mapping then the task name. So the task name that you're getting from the second Slack module, this is what you're going to map within this field over here. And so this is what I mapped over here. Here is the text, and obviously whatever text you're getting or Slack task that you're getting is going to then show here within task name. So that's all I did. I just put it over there. And then the last thing that I did is that here under due date, I then just made it to be now. So that'll be the due date, and essentially on ClickUp what you're going to see is you're going to see today. So that'll be the due date, but you can just add that according to your criteria. And then once you're done, you're just going to save, and that's that. This is how you can build a very simple but yet powerful Slack to ClickUp automation. If you're interested in us building this for you, please make sure that you reach out to us and book a free discovery call with us. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description, or you can visit our website, which is conx.digital. Please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel so that we can give you more valuable content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.